Okay guys, so we're back for another 5th grade Common Core lesson. It's super weird to be teaching from home. Super weird to even hear my own voice, but I need to make sure that you guys are still working hard, and I have definitely been getting some of your videos. Some of your parents are sending in pictures. So I'm hoping that we get some of the portfolio issues resolved, but I've got Tyler's video, I've got Ruthie's video, I've got Nazir's pictures for his math. So I know you guys are definitely working hard and I appreciate that. So let's just keep doing it. All right, so today's target is I can relate decimal and fraction multiplication. So what that really means is, can you turn a decimal into a fraction and multiply it? And can you turn a fraction into a decimal and multiply it and get an answer and write it in both ways? So the one thing that I said on here, because you know I love my notes, is to make sure that you understand that any decimal can be a fraction and any fraction can be a decimal. And in order to do anything with fractions and decimals, we have to remember our place value chart. So I wrote you a little one so that we can be reminded of where everything goes on the place value chart, because really you have to understand this in order to do the next few steps. So here's your handy dandy chart. Don't forget that 1,000th is the last place, for at least in 5th grade, that we talk about. It's the third place value after the decimal. 3 zeros in 1,000, 3 digits after the decimal. 100ths place is the next to the left. 2 zeros in 100, second place value, 2 digits after the decimal. 10ths place, THS, is the first digit after the decimal, 1 0, 1 digit after the place value. So don't forget that. So here's what we need to do. We need to turn decimals into fractions and fractions into decimals in order for us to be able to do this. So I have 3.6, which you know I'd be like, no, don't say 3.6. It's 3 and 6 what? If I'm looking at my place value chart, the 6 decimal 6 would be here, which would put me in the 10th place. So I write that 3 and 6. Oh gosh, I'm not really good at this still. Second video, I can't figure this out. Tenths. Okay, this tenths tells me what my denominator is going to be. So I know that this tenths is going to be the denominator in my fraction. So 3.6 is really 36 tenths. And my fraction would be 36 over 10. This would not be 0.45. This would be 45 hundredths. 2 digits after the decimal. So if I look at my place value chart, 2 digits after the decimal, the 5 would be like right there. So I would say hundredths. So this would be 45 hundredths. This again tells me what my denominator would be, so 45 hundredths. So my denominator is going to be over 100. Oh gosh, I'm not really good at this. Sorry guys. I know you can't see that, but I can't really hold my paper. I'm not a YouTuber. Like and subscribe, smash that like button. I don't know what any of that means, but it's 45 hundredths. So we're gonna kind of just get into the swing of it and see how it goes. Okay, so I thought I had 2 pages here. I guess not. All right, so 4 and 2 tenths. Tenths tells me what my denominator is gonna be, which is gonna be 10. So then 4 and 2 is really just 42 over 10. I have 12 hundredths. 100 is going to be my denominator. I'm still multiplying over 12. So now I just have a multiplication problem. 42 times 12 and 10 times 100. So you know me, I would say use your paper, use your scratch paper. So go over to the side, do 42 times 12. 2 times 2 is
Fortnite.
4.
I'm playing Fortnite now, guys.
2 times 4 is 8. I've already done one place value, so I'm going to go up and over. Put my 0 because I'm done with the ones. I'm not doing 1 times 42. I'm 42. I'm doing 10 times 42. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 4 is 4. Add them together for my partial products. 4 plus 0 is 4. 8, 9, 10. 4 and 1 is 5. So I have 504 over 10 times 100. I have 1, 2, 3 zeros. Just count those zeros. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 504 thousandths. I know that there's going to be 3 digits after the decimal, so I know I have a decimal. And there's going to be 3 digits, and I'm just going to fill them in with this 504. And I know some of you love that 0 out front, so you can do that. Okay, so turning our decimals into fractions and then multiplying across. So here we go again. 39. Oh, wait, I said, how about the other way? I am missing a paper. All right, 39 tenths times 1500. So I'm going to use my scrap on the side and do the 39 times 15. This first partial product is really 39 times 5. So 5 times 9 is 45. Put my 5, carry my 4. 5 times 3 is 15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
20.
Nope. Sorry, the 5-year-olds are here. I'm done with the ones place. I cross it out and all its buddies. Put my 0 because it's really 39 times 10, not 39 times 1, so I need that 0. 1 times 9 is 9. 1 times 3 is 3. And I add my partial products. 5 and 0 is 5. 9 and 9 is 18. 3, 4, 5. So now I have 585. Zip code. Over 1, 2, 3 zeros. 2, 3. And when I want to write that as a decimal, I know I need 3 digits after the decimal, so I'm going to plug in my 585. And I think what I really wanted to show here was 39 tenths would really be 39 tenths. And I know with a tenth, I need to have just 1 digit after the decimal, so it looks like this. Times 15 hundredths would have 2 digits after the decimal. So I'd plug in my 15. That's what it would look like. Okay, so I wanted to give you some work to do on your own. So keep sending me those videos, keep sending pictures. Here's some work. Please try to put it in your portfolio. I know some parents are like, this isn't working and I'm really sorry. I wish that I could like troubleshoot that kind of thing from home. But I'm not really great at this new teaching online stuff myself. So if you can do these, that'd be great. Send us a picture, send us a video, send us a message because we miss you. Keep working hard. And I guess we'll talk to you soon. Bye.